So this is a band that came with my tippet spool from Rio. And as you may know, you either lose these or you buy tippet spools that don't come with bands, and it's really annoying to keep everything organized and the fly line from not unspooling. So I figured out how to make my own really easily and way cheaper than buying, the 2 or 3 or 4 packs on something like Amazon where they charge like, $5 to $10 just for a piece of elastic and a little eyelet. So the materials and tools, just a little mallet. These are 2mm internal hole diameter eyelets that are 4mm long. Some elastic band. This is, I believe, 1/4 inch wide. And then this and this are 2mm eyelet tools that I got. So the eyelets, the band, and the tools were each about, $6, $7 on Amazon, and gives me enough material to make 100+ eyelets. One quick thing, the tool set also comes with a hole punch. I do not use this because it removes too much material from the elastic band. So when the band stretches, there's not enough thread there anymore for the eyelet to grab it. So don't use this. My setup is basically a 9-inch band. I've already marked out the places where I want to put the holes. And so this, all I did was drill a hole into this board so I can temporarily put the tool in there. I take a eyelet, put it on there, and having the tool in the board frees up both of my hands to just stretch the material, poke it over. So I'll follow the pattern that you see here. I've numbered the hole placement, so like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Once everything's threaded on here, I take that eyelet that now has the bands on it, or the band holes, put it on here, take this out, put it in that hole, and then give it 3 or 4, moderate strikes with the mallet, and I'm done. So whole process takes about 30 seconds, and it holds up really well. So here's an example of the finished product. So these eyelets come with, a big end, already flat flange. I like to put that on the, this is a crap. That's a mistake one that I made. Forget that one. Where's one? Okay. Here's one after I adjusted my technique. So I made this. Works great. And then, more or less just like the ones that come with my Rio spools. I did measure the Rio spools. They use a slightly narrower 5mm band, and they use a slightly smaller eyelet of a 1.5mm internal diameter instead of the 2mm that I use. But other than that, it's indistinguishable and works really well.